Rhea Eden here. I wanted to hop on today to talk to you a little bit about why the quality of essential oils matters. And I've gotten a lot of questions lately about, oh, I have this essential oil that I just purchased from the store. Is this safe for me to use? Is this safe to use for my family? And the unfortunate fact is that there is no way of knowing, because there's not any quality testing that's been published by those manufacturers. So you really have no idea what you're buying or what you're getting. A dead giveaway of the essential oil being a very low quality is usually a low price. If you're getting an essential oil for just a few dollars, it's not going to be pure essential oils. Even if the bottle states pure, 100% pure essential oils, it can only have 25% essential oil and rest is additives and fillers, and it can even be chemicals. So if you think about your body, your skin being your biggest organ, if you're going to go ahead and use an essential oil that has been diluted with chemicals or additives, now when you go ahead and apply that on your skin or use it on your children, now their skin is going to absorb all those chemicals and additives, etc. So you want to be extremely careful of the essential oils that you purchase. And this is the reason why I only use personally and recommend the doTERRA brand. We have used it in our home since 2015. I used to use different brands prior to that, prior to understanding more about the quality testing and what things affect the quality of the essential oil. It's not only it depends where it's been sourced, where it's been grown, things like that affect the quality of the essential oil. So for example, doTERRA works with farmers directly in areas where that particular plant grows the best. They go and find those places around the world instead of going and taking a plant and bringing it to the US or somewhere else where it might be cheaper to grow, for example, which a lot of companies do. doTERRA refuses to do that. They'll much rather go outside of the United States, go find where the particular plant is will grow the best, and they're going to go ahead and work with the farmers there to harvest that particular oil. And at the same time, while doing that, they're able to provide better quality of life and income for those families around the world. doTERRA is known for their co-impact sourcing, and they cultivate partnerships with artisans and small-scale growers and distilleries, and they also work on getting those, creating jobs and improving their income. And they establish stable pricing with the trustworthy long-term buyers, and they empower growers, families, and communities in impoverished nations. They actually currently, I believe it's 26 countries that they're sourcing from that are developing countries. So they're really working hard through their co-impact sourcing to make a difference in the world and help these growers and these families around the world to earn a better living for themselves while producing essential oil that is the highest quality possible. Something like frankincense that they sell is actually a combination of 4 different frankincense roots. If you look at frankincense essential oils in the store, it might say frankincense, but it's only being manufactured with 1 or 2 different frankincense plants, or trees, I should say. So it's not going to be as potent, and there's certain ones that are more potent than others out of those 4 species. So doTERRA makes sure that theirs is the most potent. So if you're gonna go ahead and find a very cheap frankincense oil from the store, you're guaranteed that it's not frankincense. It's not the quality of frankincense that you should be using, especially if you're looking to use it for therapeutic purposes. So that's why it's very important to know where your essential oils are coming from, how they've been sourced, and if there is an ongoing quality testing on them. doTERRA publishes the quality testing on each bottle of oil. It'll have a number on the bottom that you can go online and plug it in, and it'll show you the quality testing on that particular batch of essential oil. So you know that what you're getting is truly been tested and it's the purest possible. So they don't have anything to hide. They are very transparent. They're the only company that does this. I've had a lot of questions lately where people have said, oh, I have this essential oil. Do you know if this is safe? Most of those brands you can't find quality testing for. I was able to find testing for a couple of companies actually. And the answer was no, they're not safe. The quality testing that was done by a third-party source showed that they had failed the quality testing. So when you're just a consumer going to a store and you're like, oh, I've heard about essential oils, they sound cool, I want to try them. Let me go walk down the aisle and find them at Walmart. You can find them at Mother's, you can find them at all over the place, even Target. Please know that those particular essential oils haven't been tested. There is no testing that you can go online and look up on that bottle to know that it's pure. So it's like rolling the dice. If you're going to use that kind of essential oil in your home, whether you're diffusing it in the air, which means now you're breathing it in, possibly breathing it in with those chemicals, then it's basically just a gamble. You have no idea what you're getting. And the same thing when you're applying it on your skin, those chemicals that could be potentially in that bottle and those different additives can now possibly cause all kinds of skin irritations, allergic reactions. They might not work as well because an essential oil bottle that has been diluted that badly, like I said, if it says 100% pure, it can only have 25% essential oil. You're buying a bottle thinking, oh, good, I'm getting a good essential oil because it says 100% pure. Well, no, you're not getting 100% pure essential oil, even if it says so. So now you're going to go ahead and use it, and now all of a sudden you have an allergic reaction or it doesn't work as well, and you're like, oh, my friend told me oils work. Well, I tried it and it doesn't work. It could be because of that, because you're not comparing oils to oils. So that's why I just wanted to do this video today to explain about the differences in the quality and why it's so important to know what you're purchasing and really pay attention. And please know that when you're buying it from the store somewhere or online especially, you're really taking a gamble. So you have to ask yourself whether you want to take that gamble and diffuse those oils in the air and also put them on your skin where you can have potential health consequences on that. And please also note that those oils sold in stores cannot be taken internally. So please do not ever attempt to take an essential oil that you found from the store internally. That is not safe and is not recommended ever. I personally take essential oils internally because I only use this brand. And because this brand has supplemental facts on the bottles of the essential oils that can be taken internally. So if the particular bottle does not say specifically for internal use or it doesn't have supplemental facts, then please do not take it. It will not be okay for you to take it internally, and if you do, you could have serious health consequences. So that's all. Just wanted to talk to you because this is such a serious matter, and my heart goes out to the people who are thinking that, oh, you know, I got this great lavender oil and now I'm going to diffuse it, now I'm going to put it on my skin, and next thing you know, you end up with a possible reaction or other bad situations. So I'm really passionate about this subject and wanted to hop on today to talk to you about it because this is really important, especially if you're trying to reduce or remove toxins from your home. You don't want to be bringing in products that you think are natural and are possibly toxic with additives and chemicals. So please know what you're purchasing, and please know that the brand that I represent, which is doTERRA, is the reason for that is because the purity is tested every time. The bottle does not hit market unless it passes those tests, and you as a consumer can go online and check those tests. So to me, this is huge because as a consumer, I demand the highest possible quality if I'm going to pay for it. So this is why we use these oils in our home. So sorry for this lengthy message today, but I'm just so passionate about this. And please, if you have small children or babies in the house, please do not use essential oils that have been diluted or possibly have chemicals in them. It would not be safe with babies. So please, please, please use caution. If you ever have any questions about essential oils, how to use them, what they're good for, and how you would get started with essential oils and how you would bring them to your home, please feel free to reach out to me. You can email me, you can call me, you can message me. I'm always available. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a great day.